Hello, practicum friends. So you are at the end. We're at the tail end here of your practicum. For these last couple of weeks, I'm going to have you work on the same thing every week. So what you're going to be doing is instead of creating just one experience for a particular domain, what you're going to be doing is actually coming up with a lesson plan for the full day that you're going to be there. So this is how I want you to do this because you are working with preschoolers. What I want you to do, and you're going to do that this week, is you're going to look at your different developmental domains and think of one skill that you would like to work on that you think would be really good for the kids regarding social, emotional, cognitive, health and physical, communication, and approaches to learning. So one different skill for each one of these. And then tell me, why did you choose that skill that you want to work on? Now, having that information right up here, knowing that that's there, then I want you to turn and add in different things that you are going to be able to do in your classroom based off of those different ideas. Okay. So whatever you decided that you want to work on, see where it is and then see if you can somehow add that in. And what are you going to be doing? What type of an experience do you want to do in all of these different developmental areas or learning areas rather in your classroom? So and sometimes it makes it a little bit easier if you actually have a theme for this, because then you can just kind of tie it all in together. So if you know that you want to be working on, for example, maybe you're working on matching up here in this cognitive, where are some different areas that you can throw matching in? Like maybe here for math and manipulatives, you're going to do some matching stuff. Or maybe in the science area, there's going to be some matching going on. So basically what we're doing is we're tying everything in together, but I want to know, how are you going to offer everything in for the classroom? Now I do have an example for you that's in with your weekly lesson. So go ahead and check that one out and see if that helps you make a little bit of sense with it. But this week, you're coming up with this. And then next week, you're going to offer as much as you can in all of these different areas. You're going to implement as much as you can in all of these areas, all right? And then after that, look, there's more. Like a good teacher, I always want you to reflect on how everything went. So, what went well with this lesson plan? What didn't go well? What are ways you could improve or change this? Many of you already do lesson plans, and if your lesson plan is similar to this, then I would be willing to take that instead. But I really, really want to see, are all of these domains being hit and all of the different learning areas, are they being hit as well? And the key thing here is that every week you are now offering a full day of experiences, not just one little experience throughout the day. So you're learning this is really what it takes to be a teacher, because every single day you need to come up with some different ideas. And actually, this would be more of an example of what you could do for an entire week, is that you would have the skills that you would be working on and you would set up your environment with using these different ideas. So then for the whole week, this is what you've got set and ready to go. So have some fun doing this. Now you're really stepping into the full day experience and what it is and all of the huge planning that goes into it. If you've got any questions, please email me. Otherwise, I really look forward to seeing the ideas that you guys come up with. Have fun with it. And again, you're almost at the end. You can do it. Ta ta.